Hi, I'm Ron Amos. I want to talk to you a little bit about the new John Deere MegaRolls that we have, both in CoverEdge and edge-to-edge net. 13,200 feet on the CoverEdge, 13,800 feet on the edge-to-edge. That's about 50% more net on a roll. You can bale up to 100 bales more per roll at 2 wraps per bale. Well, you'll notice the difference in the diameter of the rolls. When we add that extra feet, the roll gets larger in diameter and it also gets heavier. The roll weighs approximately 130 pounds. Each MegaRoll comes with the white lift handles so you can drag the roll out of your truck, and I'll have my partner come in, we'll grab it and take it to the shop. How are we going to lift that roll up into the baler today? With the John Deere net lifting device. Now we've seen the net lifting device and the MegaRoll. Those two should be paired together. Lifting that 130-pound roll without the lifting device is pretty much a challenge. Just remember that the net lifting device can be used on standard length rolls also, the MegaRolls. It's available in retrofit kits for the 7, 8, and 9 series balers, and the 0 and the 1 series balers. You can now get the net lifting device factory installed as an option. Don't forget the advantages of the MegaRoll. Make more bales per roll, less rolls to handle to bale the same amount of hay, and less time spent reloading your baler for baling.